Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, we'll try to understand how will we answer the interview question. How do you determine what test cases to include in your overall test suite? This is very important question. Normally it will be asked in most of the interview question to assess how will you or what strategy you will follow to identify the test cases which are needed to test for a given feature or test for certain software. First, we should consider whenever we wanted to determine or identify the test cases, first we should understand what are the functionality of a given feature or an application, where you should include all your positive, negative scenarios, edge cases, boundary conditions, all these things we should cover as part of your overall testing journey. You have to include these test cases, functional test cases into your test suite, and the usable perspective as well. Usability perspective also you should include as part of your testing, where you will be looking in terms of ease of use of the application, all those aspects. And compatibility issues as well we should test, where we will be accessing the application on multiple browsers, multiple operating systems, multiple mobile devices everywhere, and we wanted to see our application or features are working without having any challenges. These type of test cases also you should include as part of your testing. And the four type of test cases we should also look in terms of performance topics, where we should see the loading time, response time, different conditions of performance as per the performance requirement. We should cover those aspects as well. And security related issues also we should cover as part of your test suite, and any compliances, because some of the projects may have banking compliances, regulatory compliances. Healthcare systems will have different regulation compliance or standards, industry standards. We should cover everything as part of your test cases coverage as well. And apart from that, if there is any specific requirements or constraint in your project, like accessibility testing or localization. Accessibility testing is like people can access, blind people can access, or other handicapped people can access your application. Still, you should be able to provide access to different disabled people as well. We should test as part of accessibility test case, in case your application is exposed for blind people as well, or disabled people as well. And localization testing, again, if the application is exposed for different languages, then we should test this localization testing as well. This is how we should convey your messages to the interviewer, that these are the approaches, at least these are the basic approach which I normally choose while picking the test cases and including as part of my overall test suite.